A farmer shot and killed at Trelawney home. Skeleton remains believed to be of missing Manchester man found. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Sheldon Henlon, a 40-year-old farmer of New Forest, Trelawney, was shot and killed in his home around 11:30 p.m. Sunday night. The police got reports of gunfire in the area. When they arrived, Henlon, who lived alone, was found lying on his back in a pool of blood. The body had multiple gunshot wounds. Superintendent Winston Milton told the news media. Milton also disclosed that this latest murder brings to 13 the number of homicides committed in the parish since the start of the year, which is 4 more than the corresponding period last year. Investigations are ongoing. The Manchester police are now trying to ascertain if skeleton remains found in a yard belonged to a man who was reported missing last September. The discovery was made on Sunday afternoon. The remains are believed to be that of 52-year-old Delroy Carter of Doncaster district in Mile Gully. The remains were found at a rear of the man's premises about 4:40. It was retrieved and removed for storage and for an autopsy to be done for identification purposes.